Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we're in the same neighborhood where we did a roof and gutters yesterday. The roof was last week. Next door neighbor has asked us to put a privacy fence in. Isaiah and Makari are getting the layout now. Basic 6-foot fence. We've got some 8-foot pickets to make up for the drop. There's a lot of drainage that comes through here. The client asked us to keep it off the ground about 4 inches to maintain the drainage back to the pond. Guys have got everything laid out nice, getting the posts set. We like to dry set our posts. The ground's super wet. We've had a lot of rain. Lets you set your posts more precisely. Got a good nice line over where Isaiah is standing. We're going to have an 8-foot double gate and follow the ground as closely as possible with our pickets while maintaining our level line at the top. We always try to shoot for a level line if possible on the top of the fence. It's just a better look. I'll keep you posted with the finished product. Stay safe. Please call us if we can help you out with your outdoor improvement needs, from roofing, siding to fencing. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102, or check us out online. Thank you for watching.